How about these rain totals? Impressive. Cumberland, almost 2 inches of rain. Greene, the village of Greene in Coventry, right there as well, 1.9. Glendale, 1.25 inches. Same in Johnston from Dan McKenna, and over an inch of rain for the campus at URI, one of the spotters there. Attleboro, 1.25 inches. North Dighton, an inch of rain. Mansfield, almost an inch for us so far. Taunton, Fairhaven, impressive rain totals, a lot of that falling in just a short period of time. TF Greene, 1.25 inches of rain as well. A high of 77, well below the 84, nowhere near the record of 102 set in 1991. All this rain, of course, going to knock down the pollen counts. The grass pollen numbers will be low as we extend that forecast out again right from today through, or tomorrow I should say, right through the weekend. Boy, the rain and the visibility combining to really slow us on the roads. Those pockets of street flooding as well. Situate Power Equipment, our Providence People's Credit Union Skycam. 71 in the city. The humidity is at 100% right now. And because of the dew point and the humidity being as high as it is, our temperature is not going to budge much at all overnight. In fact, it may even come up a degree or two as a warm front lifts through. Scattered showers and thunderstorms now. So not that widespread, heavy torrential coverage of the rain that we've been seeing. That is now shifted off to our northeast. However, we are by far not out of the woods with the shower and thunderstorm chances. You can see some additional lightning strikes popping onto the map as we look at the local map, and then a wider range shows even more showers and thunderstorms off to our west and southwest. So until this frontal system, this cold front, that's got to come through about 24 hours from now, tomorrow night at this time. That'll kick this unsettled weather out of here, and it will reduce the humidity as well. You'll notice that air changing. Tomorrow, we very well could start out with even a few showers in the morning, especially along our coastline. Clouds, hazy sun, chance for an afternoon thunderstorm ahead of this front. So there still may be a few hit or miss showers and storms tomorrow. Not the coverage that we're seeing out there now, but still a few isolated storms to get through. Front passes tomorrow night, and once that happens, the wind's going to shift into the northwest. Drier air, cooler air will filter in for us on Thursday. The high will still get up to about 80 degrees, but it's the nighttime temperatures starting tomorrow night and Friday night as well. Probably going to get down into the 50s for a lot of us, so you can definitely turn the fans and the ACs off. Need them tonight, but you won't be needing them over the next few days. Thursday's 12-hour forecast again, highs near 80, lots of sun, and the same story for us here on Fridays. That high pressure sits overhead. Unsettled weather's well offshore. We're looking high and dry, a lot of sunshine there, taking us into Friday. All right, the beach tomorrow, only giving it 2 out of 5 because the surf's going to be rough. Clouds, could be a shower in the morning, and again an isolated one in the afternoon. High tides at 3:13 tomorrow. There is a high surf advisory at our beaches in southern Rhode Island and southeastern Mass that runs through Thursday night. So it's tomorrow through Thursday at 8 p.m. The surf is rough. The rip currents could be significant. If you do have beach plans, I urge you to check on the status of the beach that you're heading to, especially for Thursday with that beautiful sunshine. Still could be some rough surf. All right. Chance for shower and a storm tomorrow, isolated, but it's not 0%, so we'll keep an eye on that. Thursday through Sunday, the weather looks gorgeous. Highs around 80, nighttime lows in the 50s. The humidity returns next week, and with that, some shower chances later Monday into Tuesday. That's your latest forecast, Teresa.
All right.